Ever wondered how to maximize your investment strategies, or have you ever heard about Bristol-Myers Squibb? Let's dive into the intriguing world of investing, a realm where money does the heavy lifting for you. Investing, in its simplest form, is about placing your capital in ventures that have the potential to yield profitable returns. It's like planting a seed today and nurturing it, so tomorrow you can enjoy its fruits. Now, why is investing so important? Well, it's the most reliable way to create wealth over time and secure your financial future. Without investing, you're missing out on opportunities to increase your financial worth. Sure, there might be risks involved, but with careful planning, research, and a bit of patience, the rewards can be substantial. But where should you invest? That's the million-dollar question. The answer? It could be in pharmaceutical companies like Bristol-Myers Squibb. Now, you might be wondering, why pharmaceuticals? Well, the pharmaceutical industry is one of the most resilient sectors. It's a sector that's in constant demand, regardless of the economic climate. People will always need medication, treatments, and healthcare products. This makes it a potentially lucrative option for any investor. Now let's briefly touch upon Bristol-Myers Squibb. This is a global biopharmaceutical company that has been at the forefront of medical innovation for over a century. They're committed to discovering, developing, and delivering innovative medicines that help patients prevail over serious diseases. With their consistent performance and robust pipeline of potential future products, Bristol-Myers Squibb presents an interesting proposition for investors looking for long-term growth. Investment is a puzzle, a game of sorts. It's about piecing together the right elements at the right time to create a picture of financial success. And sometimes that puzzle piece might very well be a pharmaceutical giant like Bristol-Myers Squibb. So as you ponder your next investment move, remember this. Investing, especially in pharmaceuticals like Bristol-Myers Squibb, can be a game changer, don't you think? So, how does one actually invest, and why are pharmaceutical companies a good choice? Let's delve into that. Investing, in its simplest form, is about buying a small piece of a company, known as a share. When you buy shares in a company, you become a part owner of that business, which means you stand to gain if the company does well. But before you start buying shares, it's crucial to do your research. You wouldn't buy a car without checking its mileage, would you? The same principle applies to investing. You need to understand the company, its financial health, its management, and its position in the market. Let's now discuss why pharmaceutical companies such as Bristol-Myers Squibb are an appealing investment. In one word, stability. The pharmaceutical industry is somewhat insulated from economic downturns. After all, people need their medications regardless of how the economy is doing. Moreover, the industry is marked by persistent growth. Advancements in medical science, an aging global population, and the persistent need for innovative healthcare solutions make pharmaceuticals a continually expanding field. Now let's look at Bristol-Myers Squibb, a titan in the pharmaceutical industry. The company is a global biopharmaceutical leader with a portfolio of medicines that includes treatments for serious diseases like cancer, HIV/AIDS, and cardiovascular disease. They're continually investing in research and development, which could lead to breakthroughs and subsequently increased profits. It's also worth noting that Bristol-Myers Squibb has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders. Dividends are a portion of a company's profits paid out to shareholders, providing a steady income stream in addition to the potential for share price growth. But remember, every investment carries risk. Just as you stand to gain if the company does well, you could also face losses if the company's performance falters. With the basics of investing under your belt and a glimpse into the potential of pharmaceutical companies, we're ready to dive deeper into Bristol-Myers Squibb. Now let's unravel the specifics of Bristol-Myers Squibb, shall we? Founded in the late 19th century, Bristol-Myers Squibb has been a staple in the pharmaceutical industry for well over 100 years. This isn't just a company that's been around the block, it's a company that's been around the entire neighborhood. And in that time, it's established itself as a key player, one that's seen it all, done it all, and continues to innovate and lead the way. At its core, Bristol-Myers Squibb is a global biopharmaceutical company. But what does that mean? It means they're in the business of discovering, developing, and delivering innovative medicines that help patients prevail over serious diseases. That's a big, important job, and they're quite good at it. From cardiovascular to oncology to immunoscience, Bristol-Myers Squibb's product range is as diverse as it is impressive. They've got a medicine cabinet full of solutions, each one designed to make a difference in the lives of patients around the world. And they're not stopping there. With a robust pipeline of potential therapies in the works, the future looks promising indeed. Now let's talk numbers. Because let's face it, when it comes to investing, numbers matter. And Bristol-Myers Squibb's numbers tell a compelling story. With revenues exceeding $29 billion in 2023, they're clearly doing something right, but it's not just about the money they're bringing in, it's about the financial health of the company as a whole. And here too, Bristol-Myers Squibb shines with a strong balance sheet, healthy cash flow, and a commitment to returning capital to shareholders. This is a company that knows how to manage its money. But what about the future? After all, investing is as much about tomorrow as it is about today. Well, here's the good news. Bristol-Myers Squibb is well positioned for growth. With a strategic focus on areas of high unmet medical need, they're poised to continue delivering innovative solutions that make a difference, and that's good news for patients and for investors. Of course, no investment is without risk, and investing in the pharmaceutical industry is no exception. But with a proven track record, a strong financial foundation, and a clear vision for the future, Bristol-Myers Squibb is a company that's worth a closer look. So there you have it. A company with a long history, a diverse product range, and a strong financial position. A company that's making a difference in the lives of patients around the world. A company that's poised for growth. Impressive, isn't it? Bristol-Myers Squibb's robust portfolio and financial health make it an attractive investment option. Let's recap the essentials of investing in Bristol-Myers Squibb. When we talk about Bristol-Myers Squibb, we're talking about a company with a rich history and an impressive track record. As part of the S&P 500 index, Bristol-Myers Squibb has proven its stability over time. This is not some fly-by-night operation, but a pharmaceutical giant that has been around for over 130 years. That's longer than the lifespan of an average human, and it speaks volumes about the company's resilience and adaptability. But past performance is not the only factor to consider. One must also look at the future, and Bristol-Myers Squibb is a company that's poised for growth. Their commitment to research and development is commendable. They're not just resting on their laurels, but actively seeking out new opportunities, new treatments, and new ways to improve people's health. This forward-thinking approach is a key indicator of their potential for future growth. Bristol-Myers Squibb's growth prospects are not just about the company's internal operations. They're also about the external environment. The global pharmaceutical market is expected to grow at a steady rate over the next few years. With their diverse product portfolio and strong presence in markets around the world, Bristol-Myers Squibb is well positioned to capitalize on this growth. Now let's talk about returns. Bristol-Myers Squibb has a history of consistent and reliable dividend payments. For those who are interested in a steady stream of income from their investments, this is an attractive feature. The company's commitment to returning capital to shareholders, combined with its growth prospects, makes it a potentially rewarding investment. But like all investments, investing in Bristol-Myers Squibb comes with risks. The pharmaceutical industry is highly regulated and subject to changes in government policies. Plus, the development of new drugs is a costly and uncertain process. It's crucial to do your due diligence before investing. Bristol-Myers Squibb, a pharmaceutical giant with a promising future, could be just the investment you're looking for. So, are you ready to venture into the world of investing with Bristol-Myers Squibb? As we wrap up, it's worth emphasizing that stepping into the investment arena is no small feat. It requires diligence, patience, and most importantly, an informed decision-making process. Don't just take our word for it, though. Dive in and do your own research. Consult with financial advisors who can provide you with personalized guidance based on your unique financial situation and goals. Bristol-Myers Squibb, as we've explored, holds incredible potential as an investment. The company's dedication to innovation, robust portfolio, and strategic growth plans make it a compelling consideration. But remember, every investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards. So go ahead and explore. Uncover the potential that Bristol-Myers Squibb holds for your portfolio. And as you embark on this exciting journey, keep in mind that the world of investing is not a sprint but a marathon. Remember, the right investment could be your key to a prosperous future. Until next time, happy investing.